Hi! And today we are going to do the trick for the 9 times table. First we need to write every number from 0 to 10. So we go to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's learn the 9 times table now. But every time when we do the 9 times table, this is the thing. When you write 10, you don't write 10, you write 10 after 9. So like you do 9, 9, 10. Always, you have to do 9, then 9, then 10. That's the trick, always. You don't remember to do this extra 9 here. Then you do a 10. That's how you do it. You don't do 9, 10, you do 9, 9, 10. So we need to write these numbers backwards, from bottom to top, instead of top to bottom like these ones. So 9, we'll go here to make 9, and then 18. 7 goes in 2 to make 27. 6 goes in 3 to make 36. 5 goes in 4 to make 45. And then 4 goes in 5 to make 54. You see? We're getting it correct now. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. What's next? 3. So 3 goes on 6 to make 63. And then the same way. Just 72. Where 2 goes on 7, 81, and 90. And then you don't just go 0, 1, 2 again. You just keep on doing this, like 99, 13 and 5, 14 and 4, and actually 36, when you take the 9, from here, the numbers get switched up a little bit. Like 9, 18, 27, 36, 45 and 54. We just switch them around. You see? I'll show you. Over here, between all of these, also 9 again. 4 and 5, so like 0, don't use, and this 9 if you don't use it. Because if you just do the normal, all you'll have in the middle will be 5. And 5, that's 6, because 6. And look now, let's put those two back in place. And now we have all of this. So we have 9. I'll do you on the other side too. One times 9 is 9. 2 times 9 is 18. 3 times 9, 27. 4 times 9, 36. 5 times 9, 45. 6 times 9, 54. Now look, 45 and 54. You're using these, but then first you go down. So you're just going up. And then you're using the same numbers like one of these ones, above 45. And 7 times 9, which is 63. And then 2, 1. And 0. And then 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So this is the 9 times table up to 1 times 9 to 20 times 9. And you can keep writing these numbers. Like if we go all the way to 100, we can have 94, 95, 96. We'll go up here. And we could just like start with 90. So let's just start with 909. And then like that. 954, 963. Like that. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!